week we're headed off to Lake Somerset Holiday Park. It's a NRMA holiday park here at Somerset Dam. It's probably about 5k down the road from Somerset Dam itself. It's a lovely little area. There's plenty of walking paths going all the way through, and great for kayaking. As you can see, there's boat hire, kayak hire on site here. Be a great place to spend a holiday. Quite a lot available on site in terms of facilities. There's nice hot and cold showers. Really good access to the water. There's also a lot of bike paths that are available to go around the site. Plenty to do here.